leaves his family for an easy out. They never saw the signs, he never said a word. He couldn't take another day. Carry me to the shoreline, bury me in the sand, walk me across the water, and maybe you'll understand. Once the stone you're crawling under is lifted off your shoulders, once the cloud that's raining over your head disappears, the noise that you'll hear is the crashing down of hollow years. She's not the kind of girl you hear about. She'll never want another, she'll never be without. She'll give you all the signs, she'll tell you everything, then turn around and walk away.